Hello creatives! In this video, how to make money from home as a teenager. Watch out for these 10 simple ways teenagers can earn quick cash at home. Did you know that Bill Gates started making money as a teenager? At 15, he co-founded Data, a computer program that earned him and his friend Alan $20,000. According to Forbes, he is the second richest person alive with an estimated net worth of $114.9 billion. That shows that there is no better time to start making money than now if you're a teenager. When you're a teenager, there is nothing you should enjoy more than working for cash while having fun at the same time. You can look after the baby, do a bit of yard work, run errands, and clean the house for $1 or so. Moreover, you can get creative and entertain people in local events. But still, that isn't enough to make you a rich teenager. You can definitely do more and make more money by being more experimental and intentional by trying these 10 golden business ideas that I've tried or seen other teenagers try and are earning from them. My favorite are number 1 and 2, as they are a source of passive income. They might be what you need to become wealthy at a young age. But before then, if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get informed every time I publish a life-changing video. Here we go! Number 10. Do odd jobs. There are so many odd jobs that you can do in your free time for a few dollars. Let's start with dog walking. You can walk dogs in your neighborhood and make about $20 an hour. A great platform to find dog walking gigs is Rover, so check it out. The next odd job you can do is babysitting. You can approach a few neighbors with kids and ask them to hire you on weekends to look after their children. And if you have the drive I had in my teenage years, consider doing yard work. Again, you don't have to look for these gigs far away, you can search locally. From fence painting to lawn care, there is so much you can do for cash. I also can't forget to mention household cleaning, running errands, and washing cars. Number 9. Selling crafts. There are so many crafts you can make and sell as a teenager. For example, you can make beaded jewelry, personalized mats, custom pillows, etched glasses, kids' toys, personalized clocks, wall decor, jewelry organizers, to name just a few. If you need some inspiration, visit Etsy today to see what other teenagers are making and selling. That should inspire you to come up with something unique. Etsy is also a great place to set up your craft store and sell to the global community. You can still sell your crafts locally at events, exhibitions, and the local markets. Given the power of social media, especially Facebook and Instagram, there is a ready market for your handcraft. Number 8. Be a survey taker. Paid surveys are probably the easiest jobs you can do from home. The pay is not the best, but there is so much flexibility. Besides, you only need a phone to answer the surveys. One of the best survey sites is Swagbucks, where you can sign up starting from 13 years old. Once you sign up, you can receive a $10 welcome bonus from Swagbucks. Even better, you can also make money playing games, searching the web, watching videos, amongst other online activities. On average, you can make $1 to $5 per survey on Swagbucks. Another excellent survey site for teenagers is Survey Junkie. You can also sign up starting from 13 years old. Surveys are simple on Survey Junkie, with some paying $5 to $50. Other survey sites for teenagers include MyPoints, ePol, VIP Voice, and Taluna. Number 7. Sell stock images. Most teenagers have a smartphone with an excellent digital camera. So if that applies to you, consider taking photos of animals, nature, people, or any other exciting objects and upload them onto a stock image site. If your images are exceptional, you could make some good cash online. A stock image website like Alamy allows you to get 30% of the sales. Adobe Stock and Shutterstock, on the other hand, lets you get 33% of the sales. Other sites that pay decently include 123RF, Dreamstime, and Getty Images. Generally, you have to upload quality images regularly to earn decently and consistently from stock images. Number 6. Freelance Online. I started freelancing as a writer on Upwork, known initially as Flanso when I was 18. I, however, understand that it's possible to sign up starting from 13 years old. The same goes for Fiverr and many other freelancing platforms. Mind you, you can do more than write on these platforms. Most teenagers sell services like graphic design, app development, proofreading, social media management, and web design. The beautiful thing about freelancing in general is that you are in control of your schedule. That means you only work when you are free. And more, you negotiate the rates beforehand, so you only take orders that pay decently. On a platform like Upwork, beginner writers and proofreaders make $10 an hour on average. Number 5. Tutor other students. How about you teach other students English? You can do that on SameSpeak, provided you're 16 or above and are a native English speaker. You can make $20 an hour on SameSpeak. An alternative to SameSpeak is Skimatalk. You do, however, need to be 18 or older to sign up on Skimatalk. If you can tutor English, then you can help other students with their revision or assignments. You can start locally with the kids around your neighborhood. If you're in high school, you can tutor grade school students. And if you've just enrolled in college, you can tutor high school students. If you can't find anyone in the neighborhood to teach, check out Craigslist. Number 4. Sell your old stuff online. There is so much you can sell online for quick cash. Let's start with Declutter. Declutter lets you sell used electronics like cell phones, DVDs, and computers. You should be 18 to sell on the platform. The second platform is Poshmark. Poshmark allows you to sell your old trendy clothes, shoes, and fashionable accessories. You also have to be 18 years or older. If what you want to sell are old textbooks, then Bookscouter has got you covered. Lastly, if you're looking for a general marketplace, you can't go wrong with eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. Whether it's furniture, home decor, clothing, or electronics, you can sell them online on those platforms. You can even flip items on the forum, where you can buy and sell at a profit. Number 3. Deliver with DoorDash. Maybe you're lucky enough to have a car. Then you can use it to earn an income as a delivery driver. Consider signing up on DoorDash. Provided you're 18 or above and possess the necessary vehicle documentation, you can work as a DoorDash delivery driver. Don't worry if you don't have a car. DoorDash allows you to deliver food using your bike, and you can make $15 to $25 an hour. What's more, the food delivery service also offers many bonuses. For example, you can earn bonuses for referring friends and for completing 30 deliveries a month. Number 2. Become a YouTuber. $26 million. That's what Ryan Kaji made on YouTube in 2018, setting a new record for the highest earning young YouTuber. At the time, Ryan was only 8, and you can't imagine what he was doing. Well, Ryan was unboxing toys and reviewing them online. Coincidentally, Ryan has 26 million subscribers on YouTube, and he inspires so many teenagers out there. As a YouTuber myself, I think that there is a lot of opportunity on the platform for teenagers to leverage. You can review toys like Ryan, talk about your adventures, showcase your inventions, promote your products, or anything else. On average, you can make $1 to $20 per 1,000 views, but still, you can make enough money through AdSense or by referring viewers to your store to make purchases. Remember, YouTube allows you to make money passively, so you get to earn while you sleep. Number 1. Start a profitable blog. I'm sure you are passionate about something and you would love to share that with other teenagers. It could be about school, video games, cycling, fishing, or any other thing that teenagers like. Whatever it is, you can share everything in your blog. A blog is just a website with regularly updated content. As a blogger, you can make money through affiliate marketing, where you recommend products to your readership and earn commission from sales. You can also earn through paid ads, selling products, or selling courses. Generally, a blog provides you with a smart way to earn passive income just like YouTube. You can receive money in the next 2 years or more for a blog that you set up today. Depending on the content and the traffic, there are no limits on how much you can make as a blogger. If you would like to start blogging and making over $1,000 a month, check out my detailed step-by-step guide to get you started in the description below. In conclusion, age shouldn't be the reason why you aren't making money. As seen in my video, there are so many money-making opportunities that you can leverage and make money from. The ball is now in your court. I know that this video was exciting and you loved it. Also check out this exciting video about 10 work-from-home jobs without experience and other life-changing resources in the description below. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're definitely missing out. See you in the next one.